Thank you, everybody. And just a couple words in closing here. You've heard a lot, and we can certainly do a deep dive into the intricacies of how one funding source being cut or threatened impacts other funds and programs and services. But the bottom line is this. We want to send the Trump administration and our Republican colleagues in Congress a clear message. Work with us to avoid this healthcare crisis in America. Let's work together to not just avoid a government shutdown for the sake of avoiding a government shutdown, but avoid a government shutdown while addressing this healthcare crisis. Because I know my colleagues hear every day from their constituents like I hear from mine, from cancer patients, from caregivers, from parents of children with special needs. For every one patient who writes to my office or sends an email to my office or calls my office from a hospital bed, we know there's many, many more that are worried about what the impending healthcare costs will mean for them. Americans are scared. Californians are scared. We've been through a lot this year, right? That came up in conversation earlier. Our year started with wildfires, and we have not just the fear and terror in so many communities because of these indiscriminate raids by ICE and other federal agencies, but to the point where some people are afraid to go to their doctor's appointments, to take their kids to schools, to go to work, to go shopping. It's all having a cumulative impact. This is clearly not business as usual. And no, this is not normal. Our country is better than this. The people of our country deserve better than this. So again, here we are, less than a week from the last day of the fiscal year for the federal government. Democrats stand ready to work and negotiate with Republicans, and now Republicans who control the White House, are in the majority of the House and the Senate, have a choice to make. Shut the government down? Is that what they want? Or work with us to address the healthcare cost crisis for millions of families across the country?